Welcome to foreUP. In this video, we'll get you acquainted with a few of the basic features of foreUP, including adding a tea time and a customer, running a sale, viewing online booking, and adding an inventory item. Knowing those things will have you up and running with the essentials of your golf course. On foreUP's homepage, you'll see various announcements about the software and new features that are coming out. Click into the selection menu. You can see that there's several different modules available to run your business. This selection menu is how you navigate to the different parts of foreUP. To add a tea time, click into the tea sheet. When you first go into some foreUP modules, you'll see these guides pop up explaining how to use the software. Following along with these guides can help you understand better how to use foreUP and to establish best practices. Or you can close them. Any of the information can be accessed again by clicking on the question mark in the bottom left corner and selecting a walkthrough. On the tea sheet itself, you can see this basic schedule including the date, the weather, and the front and back 9 holes. Go ahead and add a new tea time by clicking on an available slot. This brings up the tea time details screen. Create a tea time by inputting the customer's name and then their email or phone number. Getting a customer's contact information will add this customer to your database and allow you to send reminder text messages and emails. Select how many people this customer is playing with, how many carts they're reserving, and whether they are playing a full 18 holes or just 9. If you have multiple price classes, select the price from the drop-down. If the customer is reserving their time, just click Reserve, and this tea time slot will be scheduled. Notice that for 18 holes, their time slot is scheduled for both the front and back 9. And then when they arrive, you can click on the time slot and click Check In. This will bring this sale to our point of sale screen. Just click Pay Now. There are a number of different payment options. For a credit card, click on the credit card button and the customer will swipe their card. Keep in mind that you'll need to be set up with a merchant processor to complete transactions. Contact foreUP to set that up. Once finished with the sale, you'll be returned to the tea sheet, and this customer will be marked as blue since they have been checked in. When you hover over a tea time, you can see a small summary area showing more details about it. You can even right-click and mark the player as teed off or as finished playing. And these main numbers on the top show basic stats throughout the day, like the occupancy rate and the revenue. But you don't have to schedule all the tea times yourself. You can send your customers to an online reservation page where they can book their own tea times. To access this area, go into the selection menu and then head into Settings, Online Reservations, Tea Sheet, and copy the online reservations URL. Include this link on your website, Facebook page, and in emails to customers, and then watch the tea times come in. No taking in calls required. Now, let's switch gears and see how to add an inventory item. Click on the selection menu and then click Inventory. Here in the All tab, you can see all the current items in inventory. Click into the Retail tab, which will narrow down all the items to just retail items. And then, click the New Retail Item button. Give the item a name, the department it's in, and the category. If your accountant has set up GL codes for you, you can add them here. And if you have a barcode connected to your computer, click into the UPC field and to scan the barcode. Uncheck Unlimited to input the initial quantity of this item. Then, set how much customers will pay for the item, and how much you paid. Doing so will help you figure out the cost-effectiveness of your pro shop. Add the tax rates that apply, and then click Save Changes. Now your new item has been added to inventory, and when you go into your point of sale, you can sell it. And that's the basics of what you need to know to get started with foreUP. The best way to learn will be to think of a few scenarios you run into every day at your course, and then try to do those in foreUP. The software is designed so that it's easy to figure out on your own. Or, if you need help, check out the walkthroughs in the bottom left corner. Or, get a feel for what's possible with foreUP on our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, you can give our highly rated support team a call at 800-929-5737. Our typical answer time is less than 20 seconds. Thanks for trying out foreUP.